We have a common concept in our mind that bulls are aggravated or made angry after seeing the red color. Is this true? Can bulls see the red color? Today's discussion in this video is in this topic. Those who are new to our channel, we request them to subscribe our channel to get the notification of such interesting videos. And those who are already with us, we thank them a lot. Now we're coming to the main point. Can bull see the red color? Bullfighting is one of the most popular and controversial customs in Spain. We all know that since ancient times, this bullfighting has been held in Spain. And this is a very famous game of Spain. Every year in the summer, people flock by the thousands to see a bullfight. In a bullfight, a bullfighter waves his red cape, which is a small red cloth, in front of a snorting bull. Snorting bull means when the bull is made aggravated or made angry. The bull sees the flaming, arrogant red color and come angrily towards that cape or red piece of cloth. Actually, flaming and arrogant means the red cape or the red piece of cloth that makes the bull angry. So we see when the bull sees the red color, the red cloth, it comes towards it in anger. Actually, bulls do not get agitated by the color red. In fact, there is very little evidence that any color makes bulls angry to cause any damage. Bulls, like the other ungulates, have dichromatic vision. But this dichromatic vision doesn't prove that bulls distinguish colors. Actually, ungulates are the animals who have hooves like camels, horses, cows. These are the ungulates. Okay, and these animals have dichromatic vision. Dichromatic vision means they can see mainly the two color. We know that for the animals who have four legs, do not see that color. They are color blind. Actually, they have the dichromatic vision. In this image, we can see the two colors. The first is the trichromatic color vision, and the second is the dichromatic color vision. Actually, this is the dichromatic color vision, and a bull can see this type of color in their vision. The bull cannot see this type of color. The bull cannot see this color. They can only see this color. So that is why it is proved that bull cannot see the red color. They can see this type of color. This is called the dichromatic color. Many experiments have proved although bulls can distinguish some colors, none of those colors are associated with the red, and there is no proof that red colors creates a bull's aggression. So, from this statement, from this information, we can say that red color doesn't aggravate or doesn't make agitated a bull. See, in this image, we can see that a bull is coming towards the red color. Normally, in a bullfighting game, we can see this type of scene. Actually, it is not the color, rather the movement of the piece of the red cloth and the bullfighter that makes bull so angry. So, the bull is not agitated by the red color, but the movement of that piece of cloth actually makes a bull angry. And a bullfighter also makes a bull agitated. Moreover, the bulls used in these bullfights are from a very aggressive breed and they are agitated in a way that any sudden movements will make those bulls angry and make them attack. Actually, those bulls that are used in the bullfighting are from aggressive breed. Aggressive breed means from aggressive origin. Actually, from their parents. Their parents are this type of animals that are very angry, that becomes angry easily. So, their breed, the origins of those bulls make them angry. And the movement of the cape, the movement of that piece of cloth, red cloth, makes bulls angry. And after that, they attack the bullfighter, seeing that piece of cloth. But they cannot see the red color actually. The movement of that piece of cloth make them angry. Basically, those fighting bulls are from special origins and hence they become agitated quickly. Furthermore, the enclosed area where the bull fighting is done also makes a bull angry because they cannot escape from that area easily. This is also true that the enclosed area, the bull is enclosed in a particular area while a bullfighting is held, and the bull cannot come out from that enclosed area. And that is why they become angry very easily because they want to escape from that area, from that enclosed area, but they cannot. And that is why they become angry and attack a bullfighter. So, from this video, it has been proved that a bull cannot see red color, and the red color does not agitate a bull. Rather, the movement of the cloth and the breed of the origin and the activities of the bullfighter are responsible to make a bull angry. If this video is interesting to you, then please give a like for this video and share this video to your friends and relatives. Please also leave a comment for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and we're meeting in the next video.